Hi, my name is Tia Ill. I'm the co-owner along with my husband Mark Ill. We the owners of Sweet Tea's Bakery. We located inside the Red Terminal Market. We've been inside the terminal since 2021. We have a family business that was a hobby that actually turned into a business from a recipe that was passed down to me from my late grandmother, Delores Truitt. We specialize in sweet potato pie and sweet potato based desserts, so which everything is geared around sweet potato. We're known for our signature pie with the graham cracker crust, and that's been great experience by sharing my family memories with all the customers that come inside the terminal, because you get to meet people from all walks of life from all around the world. The best part of all of this is working side by side with my husband and also other family members as well.